Welcome to the new Gunter ISD website and app. These two pieces of communication will keep you up to date on everything that is happening in Gunter ISD. If you haven't already done so, head over to your App Store and download the Gunter ISD app. Much of what you see on the Gunter ISD app is also available on the Gunter ISD website. For example, the feed that you see on the app corresponds to the news feed and the live feed that you see on the website. Let's take a closer look at the app. If you look at the bottom, you'll see two blue buttons. If you choose Menu and then Settings, you can customize your app to better meet your needs. Your language preference, your default organization, the schools that you have children in, and how you want to receive push notifications. You will only receive push notifications if you sign up here. Push notifications are simply notifications that are sent to your cell phone. If you choose to sign up for push notifications from any campus or the district, you will find them on your cell phone wherever your phone displays notifications. For those who choose not to sign up for push notifications, you can still see the messages when you choose the campus and then go to Notifications. Any notification that has been sent through the push notification app will be in this location. To keep up with announcements and events happening at your child's school, be sure to choose every school that you have children. Choose the arrow at the top left to exit settings. You are back in the app. You may choose Menu to get to all of the choices. To easily switch between campuses, click the X at the bottom, choose Schools, and change the campus. When you change the campus and go back to the menu, now you are on the menu for the campus you just chose. The menu items are specific to the campus that you have chosen. To easily identify which campus you are on, close the menu and look up at the top. The events on the app sync with the events that are listed on the website. The events calendar is consolidated across our district, so it will be the same on each campus you choose. If what you're looking for is not on our app, you're sure to find it on our website. Just take a moment to browse through the website and familiarize yourself with the way things are organized. We're confident that you'll find what you're looking for.